Hello everyone. Today is 2016, October 24th. All right. Welcome to Projack's live webinar, and especially for my students only. And I'm going to upload the video in the YouTube later. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about the dollar index first. Hello. Yeah. Hello. What's this? Okay. Yeah, you guys can ask any questions if you have any pairs want me to look at this. Okay, so do remember to leave your message here. Okay, for any pairs or any stocks. Okay, we can just have a look. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Silver. Maybe. Okay. Yeah. No problem. Yeah, we cover it first. We talk about the dollar index first. Okay, so dollar index. Okay, from long time ago, we want to highlight you guys that there is potential ABCD patterns, right? So if we do remember that there is ABCD pattern, and this one tells us it may goes up to 99.78. All right, and we do catch a lot of buying opportunities, right? Last time we buy it here. We bought it here, 94.14. Okay, there's also a ABCD pattern here. Okay, and we bought here, retest the structure. Okay, broke the high, and right now this is doing good. Okay, already earned almost 400 pips. Okay, so just to remember, you can keep your dollar long position until it reaches 99.68. Okay, just remember that, and look at the 99.68. This level. Okay, this level, we look left. Yeah, there's a very good structure. Tell us, yeah, it's good to take profit at this level because our institutional people are going to sell the dollar here. Okay, and noise buyer, we're trying to still want to try to buy the price because they only start to buy the price, buy the dollar when it's already rallied so much. Okay, but we are actually an opposite guys. Okay, we want to sell, we want to take profit at this structure. Okay, so just remember, you can still keep your dollar long position. Okay, because this ABCD pattern will be very, very powerful. Okay, right? So no any doubts, dollar will still going strong to test this level. Okay, so this week we are still bullish on dollar, right? Okay, let's look at the gold. Okay, the gold is rally back to 1270, right? And then looks here, guys, looks here. What does this tells us? Okay, initially we have a short position. We shot several times. We shot from 1366, 1354, and 1342. Yeah, and make the 1000 pips, right? And look at here. There's a structure here, guys. Okay, this is a structure that is acting as a resistance, breaks, become a support again. Okay, so gold have a very good support at 1248 to 1254 this level. And look at the daily charts. The daily charts tells us the candles. Okay, you can see here there is a breaking of this kind of wedge, right? Okay, so it breaks up, it pulls back to test the neckline, and it looks like still going up. Okay, and last week we actually tried some gold buying position, right? We bought gold about here, about 1254, at this 618 retracement, right? If I remember, okay, we bought here, make some profits, right? And then got stop out because of this huge pin. Okay, and after this huge pin, you can buy again because there's a Gardy pattern here. Okay, we see a Gardy pattern from here. Okay, you can buy it here. Yeah, that's a perfect entry. So you can buy after this pin, and maybe the average price would be 1250, and then it rallies to 1272. Okay, that is a good profit of 20 points. Okay, which is 200 pips. Okay, and now you see the gold is still going strong. Okay, it has been maintained outside, yeah, above 1261. Okay, so this is a good sign that the gold may still goes up. Okay, however, we do find some structure here from 1 to 77. There's structure here. Testing once, twice. Okay, so now this time we don't know that the gold whether we'll go through this point or not. But do be careful that if the gold goes up, okay, about 1 to 80, it may test 1 to 90 or 1003. Okay, because these are the very fast fall. Fast fall, okay, it's like free fall, so there's no much orders are accumulated here, and the price will goes up to 1003 very easily if the gold can close above 1277. All right, so don't short the gold until it reach to this 1290 to 1003. Okay, in the daily charts it's also very clear. Okay, the gold may still ready and to test this neckline, right? These are the necklines. Okay, 1302, and if we pull back the 618, the 618 tells us, yeah, it may goes up all the way to 1323.93. Okay, but not every time it goes up to 61.8%. Okay, yeah, if you have some long position, yeah, it's okay to take profit at 1277 because there is a pin bar here. Okay, so this pin is powerful. It's powerful. Okay, you better take some profit here. Okay, it may go down again, and it may goes down to break the new low. Okay, so potentially this long position, this longing buying gold idea is very quick trade. It's for short term, for short term income. Okay, for long term we're still bearish because the gold we can see very clearly it is actually breaks the trend line, right? This trend line is broken. Okay, so that means that the overall the previous this the whole 10 months or 9 months bullish market is over. Okay, it breaks the trend line, it pulls back, and the best the best situation is to short the gold when it pulls back to the neckline. Okay, it pulls back here, we want to short, right? So that is a long-term view for the gold. Okay, for the silver XAG, okay, for the silver will be the same, similar, but I do prefer to long the silver for a while because you can see here 17.15. Okay, yeah, 17.15. That's a very good support here, and the silver looks looks like the upside potential is huge. Okay, it's huge. It's made ready to 18.70. That's target. Okay, and there is you can also use 6.8% as a retracement. Yeah, it may all the way. The first target will be 18.62. All right, second target will be 19.57. Okay, if you want to buy the silver, that will be good because from the candlesticks, from the price section, you can see here, yeah, there's a support becomes support. All right, so 17.22 is a good level. Okay, and look at the 1 hour charts. Okay, silver, wow, it's just make a very bullish bar. Okay, but don't chase the price. Don't chase the price. Okay, wait for the pullback. I'm thinking that it may pull back to retest the trend line. Right now in this situation, you can use the trend line as your entry tools. Okay, so when the silver goes up, now it's very obviously this is a very good closing, outside closing, right? Outside closing of this trend line. So when the pullbacks, you can have a chance to buy. Okay, so wait for the pullback. Okay, when you touch the trend line, you can have a pullback to buy, and your stop loss should be the correct stop loss should be below the pin. Okay, below this bullish bars pin. Okay, so about a 17.57. That's a correct stop loss to be set up. Okay, and your target will be $18 and 18.62. That's the first target, and 19.57. Okay, yeah. Okay, the gold and the Kiwi dollar may not have so much correlation. All right, so I won't actually say that there is some very close correlation to the Kiwi dollar. Okay, so because the Kiwi, the NZD, the New Zealand dollar is related to the milk. Okay, to the milk. It's not related to the gold. Okay. Although it is, I mean, gold is commodity, and the New Zealand dollar is also commodity currency. There are some correlations, but not so much, right? Okay, let's look at the oil. Okay, for the oil, okay, I just published an idea here. That is before the the bearish candle closed below the A point. So now this pattern is no more valid because the C point is definitely below the A. Okay, so what we can do is we need to find another reason to short the oil. Why do we want to short the oil? Guys, do you remember? Anyone remember? Why do we want to short the oil at this level? Because we have a bearish butterfly patterns, right? Yeah, at 51.77. So after the contract is changed, the oil did rally to this place, okay, and make very good candlesticks, right? Yeah, this is an engulfing candle, okay, and after 1 day consolidation today, yeah, it just makes another low, okay. So that's good idea to short the oil for medium term, okay, but don't chase the price, okay. We want to wait for a pullback, okay. So right now we can still use the pullback as a 618%, okay. So we can wait patiently at a 51.20. That's the level we want to wait. Okay, so 51.20 will be a good place to short the oil because there's a structure here. Okay, so if oil pulls back to here, look for a short, right? Stop loss should be above the high. And in the long term, daily charts, the oil's target, it may goes, I mean, first of all, it goes to 47.09 based on this butterfly pattern, right? Second will be goes to 44.11. Okay, the final target, the ultimate target will be all the way to even, yeah, you can take profit at 39.29. It's good. You can also have a very good short position all the way hold it to 31.49. All right, that's a 1.618 inverse extension. Okay, if the market did goes that low, you can keep it one large, maybe 1/3 or 1/4, 1/4. The short position, just hold it. All right, will give you a very good reward. Right. Okay, look at the euro. Okay, the euro, we are bearish things almost for 1 month, right? At that time when the euro is 1.12, right? It pulls back here. We short the 618 retracement. Okay, we short here 1.1273. Okay, short here. Now it's 1.008. And I talked to you guys very clearly that the euro this time we break this 1.0950 level, right? And it may continue goes down to 1.06. Okay, so I'm now looking for a target of the euro short to be 1.06, maybe 50. Okay, that is a long-term view for the euro to be, to reach this level. Okay, and despite although today have a small rally, but still a bearish market, didn't we? Yeah, we still see a bearish market, and just draw this neckline. Draw this very important here. It's 1.0950. If the euro ever touch back this level, short it. Okay, because this is a very good structure violated. Okay, broken structure retest. We want to short. Are we clear? Anyone have any questions so far? Are we good? Just I want to make sure that everyone follow me. Okay, type 1. Type 1. Yeah, if you are still here. You get it? Okay, good. Okay, so just remember the euro, we have a good shorting opportunity at 1.0950, and it goes down here, okay? And it may complete these Gardy patterns, right? Yeah, this is Gardy pattern, right? The Gardy pattern tells us it may goes all the way down to the complete this D point, right? Okay, maybe 78.6, maybe 88.6, according to what I teach you guys, right? There are 3 possibilities, or it's just you can just add them all. Okay, you can use ABCD, you can use 1.272. Yeah, that's all fine. Okay, so yeah, just do remember in the big picture there's a Gardy pattern for the euro. Tells us only when the euro reach to 1.0650 you can consider to try to buy. Otherwise, focus on your shorts because it's a bearish market, right? The trend line has been broken, right? Trend line has been broken. Bearish momentum just started, just breaks a new low, okay? Pulls back and short, okay? Just short here, okay? And stop losses go above this pin. Very easy, very simple, isn't it? Okay, okay, good. For the starting. All right, sterling, I'm not so bearish because it has been, forced too much. And look at the 4-hour charts. What do we do in last week, right? You guys, do you trade this pair? Did you trade these buying opportunities? Anyone who bought at 1.2? Should be 1.2150. I published in the trading view, right? I say buy now, right? Yeah, at that time, sterling is at 1.2167, right? Yeah, and it hits the two targets, 1.2250, 1.2324. It just hit, and the third target not yet come, but you can just hold your last position, right? Okay, short on euro sterling is good, yeah, because sterling is going up and euro is going down. Okay, so we have a very good profit from this sterling dollar in the last week, and yeah, right after we publish charts, it just goes up, right? Never hit our stop loss because it's below this pin. Okay. I don't know why. Yeah, it's just loading. Not answering me. Never mind. Okay. So yeah, we have a nice buy at here. It goes up. Okay, now it comes down again. Right. But look at the lows. Look at the lows. Right. Lows is getting higher. Right. The sterling, the lows is getting higher. Right. And the high is getting lower. Right. So it looks like it's a triangle squeeze. Okay, but in this kind of a lower location, very low, from 1.34 drop to 1.2, 1.19, okay, it's very high chance that the sterling, if we go up, okay, go up to test 1.2334 or even the 1.2468. That's very possible. Okay, so you can still buy the sterling, okay, stop below this point, okay, and aim for a big rally. Okay, yes, sterling Aussie is pushing now. Yes, good. Yep. I start to buy the sterling Aussie from 1.5900. I start buying here, okay, because I see this. This is a very bearish candle, but after that reversed nicely, so makes this a very long pin bar if we combine this together, and it goes back, okay, and I just enter at this 618 retracement, okay. I started buying the sterling Aussie at 1.5940, okay, and now have a very good return and earn 100 pips, right? I'm thinking the sterling Aussie may goes all the way up to 1.62 and 64, or even 66. So that is another 600 pips to go. Okay, so it's good to buy the sterling Aussie, all the way to here. All right. Okay, let's look at the Aussie dollar. Okay, for the Aussie dollar, we have a one losing trade last week. Okay, the reason we lose is because of this spike. Okay, it happens in the 9 p.m. in the US, in the Singapore market, which is 9 a.m. in the morning, and nothing happens. Just wipes our stop, because my stop is about 0.6791. Okay, you just get me out. Okay, so I was stop out. Okay, but then I re-enter the trade. Okay, I'm not scared because I just lose 2%. I re-enter trade here. Okay, at here 0.70 or 7663 to 0.7668. Okay, look here. There are some, support, and the support is violated. I re-enter the trade at this retest pin. Okay, I enter here. Okay, it pulls back, it goes down and pulls back to the same structure which previously acts as a support and finally now acting as a resistance, right? Me too. Okay, good. Yeah, so we have a nice trade here. We short from a 76.70, and we can take some profit at 75 and 90, right? That is 70 pips. Okay, we lose only about like 30 pips or what? I can't remember. It just yeah, by violating this high we are lost. Okay, but we cut our loss here, very tight loss. We cut here. Okay, we avoid add a extra stop or losses until here, right? So we save this money. Okay, We stop here, but we re-enter here and we earn here. So that is still in the net is still a profit trade. Okay, and right now, okay, I'm thinking that the Aussie has totally changed the direction because you can see the daily charts. Daily charts. Okay, this is an engulfing candle, right? Very, very powerful, engulfing the 2 days rally. Okay, totally comes down. Okay, and then goes even lower. Okay, makes lower low. Okay, today is pulling back. Okay, so you can short the Aussie now, right? It's a good opportunity. Okay, because Aussie is coming a lower low, finding some support, bouncing in the back. Okay, but it's still, this is high level, high location. 77, that is a very, very high location compared to the previous, that is with all these back to the 71 or even maybe 0.69. Okay, you can see here, from here to here, right? The Aussie definitely is in a higher location, and it just confirmed the change of the directions. Okay, so today this pulls back, and pulls back to where? Pulls back to this structure, right? We just have a nice structure here. Same structure. Okay, the structures hold the Aussie nicely, pulls back, never going to above this pin. Okay, as long as the Aussie didn't close above 0.7650, we are not worried. We can just keep our short trades. Okay, and it may continue goes down because this will be a trend continuation trade. Okay, the first impulsive wave, the correction wave, pulling back to the structure, cannot goes higher, and another fall is expected. So just short the Aussie, right? And long term, I'm thinking that the Aussie short trade will make a lot of money. Okay, it may test 0.75, then 7457, or even goes to 72. Okay. All right, look at the Kiwi. And the Kiwi, I know that the Nuno, you guys have a very, very nice shot at a 0.7050, right? Well done, guys. I'm really proud of you, okay, because I didn't actually mention in my group, right? I didn't actually tell you guys, yeah, you can short now, okay? But you guys actually use your own, your eyes, make use of the group, okay? We shared the ideas among the group. I think, yeah, a lot of people short the Kiwi here, 72.50, 72. 0.7240. Okay, and right now earned 100 pips. Okay, congratulations. That's the way. That's the way. Okay, use what I teach you guys and apply it into markets and share the ideas among the group so everyone can help each other. All right. Okay, give yourself a clap. Okay, yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. Right. Okay, so the Kiwi, yeah. Bearish just starts. Okay, this one tells us yes, it pulls back to the structure, cannot go higher, so it's lower highs and lower lows. So you short here, you aim for this first target, aim for that target. You can all the way catch a very, very nice trade, all the way maybe to 0.64. Okay, that's very possible. Okay, so yeah, keep the Kiwi short. Okay, if it never goes above 0.726. All right. Okay, look at dollar yen. So dollar yen, we have a kind of a reversal signal here, but I'm not willing to short the dollar yen at this level because I know this is not a high level. Okay, it just goes up. It may continue to go up until it reached 107 or even 110. Okay, so only when the dollar yen goes up to 110, I'm considered short. Otherwise, I'm always going to buy the low. Okay. Sure, let's check the Nasdaq later, okay, after I finish the dollar yen. Because dollar yen, okay, looks like sideways in the last few weeks, okay, sideways, okay, no higher highs, no lower lows, okay, just sideways. But from the from the trend analysis, we found that it has broken the bearish trend, right? And we still have some 125 this down trade, right? Yeah, you took some profit, you can take profit, but you don't go for shorts. Okay, take profit, buy the low, Okay, buy the low, aim for another rally until to 107 and 110. But that's my opinion for the dollar yen, because it is in a very low location. Okay, and it has broken, the trend has changed. Okay, so find some opportunities to buy the dollar yen. Look at here, there are structure just nicely sit under 101.81. So this level will be my key level. And if the dollar yen ever goes here, if nothing, so extremely events happens, I will be very happy to buy it here again. All right, let's look at the dollar Canada. The dollar CAD just violate the structure of 1.3312. Okay, violated. So the dollar CAD may still rally all the way to 1.3838. Okay, that is a 618 retracement. Okay, so we want to know that don't short the dollar CAD, because you may be squeezed all the way to 1.38. Okay, there are some potential to go all the way to here. Okay, yeah. And okay, let's look at the SP 500. Okay, S&P 500 is kind of retesting the trend line, okay, and retesting the here to 152, and we can look for a 618 short. Yeah, it just almost touched, okay, to 154 structure here. We can enter trade to short the S&P. Yeah, that's possible. Short here. Okay, aim for 2112 and 2000 maybe. Yeah, that's a very nice reward trade. Okay, if we find some bearish patterns here. Okay, for the Nasdaq. For the Nasdaq. No, what is the symbol for Nasdaq? I can't find any. I don't know why. Okay, NAS 100. Okay, good. All right. Okay, Nasdaq. Wow, it's looking kind of making trying to retesting the high. All right, let's check for the 4 hours. Okay, do we have a pattern? Yes, we do have a pattern. We do have a pattern. Let's check. Okay, we have 618, pulls back, another. Okay, yes, there's a pattern here, and a good spot, nice spot for Nuno. Yeah, 48990. Well, you just touched, you just short it. Okay, cool, go for it. This is a good trade. This is a good trade. There's a 2 pattern here, the Gardy and also the bat. Okay, I understand what you're thinking. There's a bat here. Okay, there's 2 patterns, so makes this trade even more powerful. Okay, so yeah, go for the 15-minute chart to check the smaller time frame, whether there is any kind of negative price actions. Wow. Okay, it just touched. Okay, 490. Now it's touched. 4890. Sorry, 4890. Typically, you can enter the trade right now. Right, you can just enter the trade because it just touched 1.272. Okay, stop loss should be above 4,900. Okay, yeah, above here. Okay, so calculate your lot size correctly. Okay, don't over risk your count. Okay, 2% is 2%. Okay, but it's a good trade. Okay, so stop loss should be above the X point. Okay, we put at 4,000, maybe 4911. Okay, and you're aiming for a target of our standard target at the 0.382 and the 0.618. Good. Yeah, looks like still ready. So check for the 5 minutes. Any news for the stocks market today? I don't think so, because normally Monday will be very quiet. So it's just like some kind of buyers are still want to buy the breakout. Okay, yeah, but we feel that this might be a very good reversal zone, right? We just check if the price ever comes down again, retest, we can short. Okay. Yeah, it looks like it. I don't see there's reason for it is to rally. Okay, It's just the first touch. So yeah, watch for the. This is just the first 5 minutes. Okay, so watch for the price action in this zone. Okay, it is a good try to short. Okay, stop here, and you can look very like 1 to 4 or 1 to 5 for the risk reward ratio. That's good. All right, so yeah, I think we are finished today. So these are the whole week's plan, right? Okay, let's talk about the natural gas. Natural gas, yeah, I still remember we have a short here, right? 3.35, if I am not wrong, 3.35. And there's another great opportunity to short a 618% retracement. Yeah, I think Michelle, right there? Michelle, I think you spot this very fantastic trade. Am I right? You short here for the 618 retracement, stop above here, and now you earn a lot. That's great. Congratulations, Michelle. Right, this 618 pullback trade. Okay, also you can consider as this a Libra pattern, right? Yeah, this is such a powerful trade. Wasn't you? Okay, maybe who? Jonathan? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, I just remember some people just spot this 618 retracement. That's very decent trade. 3.30. Yeah, you can take off here. Oh, okay, Julius. Then okay, yeah, good job. All right, good job. Make a lot of money, right? All right. So, what else? Oh, guys, any? Oh yeah, BNP. Okay, don't trade for the dollar CNH. Okay, Peter, don't trade for the dollar CNH because it is a government control currency. Okay, you have no idea that when the People's Bank of Republic of China will going to to do some terrible things of the yen. Okay, of the yuan. Sorry. So don't touch this currency. Okay. And another reason they don't touch this currency is because the pips value is low. Okay, because dollar CNH is about 6.7 right now. Okay, so per pips you are earning like you need to divide by 6.67 for the dollar. Okay, BNPS, right? Okay, check for here BNPS. Is this one? Am I right? BNPS. Okay. Yes, and last week, Michelle asked whether we can buy these stocks, right? And I say, yeah, look for this level, 0.26. It has a very nice rally. Okay, wow, look at the gaps. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, they have a very nice rally. So our first prediction becomes true. The price did rally back above 0.26, right? And you have another buying opportunities. Okay, it's either going to fill the gap. Look at the gap. Okay, you can buy it here about 0.27, or you can buy the pullback at 0.26. Okay, so just watch for the pullback to buy. Okay, pullback to buy. Okay, this is I mean, Michelle, I know that you have bought here somewhere here, right? It's good. You make a lot of money. Okay, so take some profits. When it pulls back, buy it again. Right? Okay. Yeah. Sure, Scott. Well, it's very early, right? Still early. Where we are going? I think you are retired, aren't you? Are you going to fishing? 0.20 may not be because you can look at here. Okay, now the short the people, I mean the bulls has comes in, takes control. Look at the retest here. The pink bar actually tells you that there are people still selling, but sooner or later, yeah, they are wiped out. Okay, so right now we can say that this stock has been taking control above 0.26 again. Okay, so yeah, it's good to buy when you pull back here, right? And aim for maybe 0.45 or 0.50. Yeah, you just follow your plan. It's still within our predictions. Okay, and what else? What else? What else you want me to look at? If no, we just end here. Okay, Mary on the in the university. Okay, good. Yeah. Jonathan don't have a son. Should have son. Should have son because we have been almost 1 hour. It's almost no 15 minutes. Okay. Yep. Okay. So last thing. Okay. I'm going to have a course in China face to face. Okay, but it's teaching Mandarin. So I'm going to be very busy in the next week. Okay, so I won't be available to to chat with you guys until next Wednesday. Okay, so but I do have some time to still to trying to publish in trading views. So just follow up my trading views, ideas, and discuss among yourself. And I will check for the chat history if I can help. Okay, for anything urgent, just send me a personal SMS via WhatsApp. All right. So plan your trade and trade your plan. Okay. Jack is here to help you guys to become successful trader. Okay. Great. Okay. Let's end here. See you. Bye bye.